Hi guys, it's Cruz here. Welcome to Banggood channel. It's time to December's giveaway. As we all know, Banggood channel has 1 or 2 giveaway per month. So keep focusing on our channel to make sure you get the latest product discount and free price. Now Banggood is launching a promotion for the new release smartphone, Oukitel K13 Pro. During December 11 to December 18, we are offering exclusive price, which is save more than $50. So in this video, I will offer 1 free order chance of Oukitel smartphone and 5 free price of Oukitel earphone. Just follow 2 easy steps, you may have a chance to win this prize. After the intro video, I will explain the rules, so stay with me. So what do you think about the Oukitel K13 Pro? If you're interested in, join our giveaway now. So let's talk about the giveaway rules. Firstly, you need to copy the link in the description below and post it in your social media account, whatever Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. Secondly, leave your order number if you purchase K13 Pro and your social media account name like this way. In this part, if you didn't purchase K13 Pro, just leave your account name here. You still have a chance to win the Oukitel earphone. We will choose 1 winner for free order and 5 winners for earphone on December 18. At that time, I will update the information in the description, comment and community. So don't forget to go back to check the result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and wish you good luck. See you next time.